Hi traders, this is Mike Hamilton on the 1st of July. As we're into a new month, I just want to give you a quick monthly review. I did a monthly review in my room last night. I do that at the end of every month now. If you want details on that, please email me from tradetheeasyway.com and let's get going. Right, this is the dollar index in the monthly. I'm going to just run through the currencies, very important. These have been performing so well recently. Right, this is what I talked about before. Shooting star on major support. But this is, to me, is a consolidation pattern while moving averages come across. I think we could easily see a 150 point drop, retrace the 50 MA because of all this buying action here. It's time the dollar took a breather, came back to about 84.3, 0.5 before we see a resumption in the trend to the upside and retest to 94. Aussie dollar, I think we'll see a lot of chop between the 8 and the 20, so not interested in the Aussie dollar at the moment unless we see a move either side. I think we'll get direction once that US dollar returns to its trend. Canadian dollar, this is very much like the equity indices, a reversal bar, seller's bar and a stopping bar, so we could see a move the upside in the CAD if that is what happens with oil as discussed earlier. British pound, I like this high low very much. If you look at the daily, 154 is the 50 MA in the daily chart. It had a retest of the 50 MA this morning. I'm looking for it to work its way back to 154. Now at that stage, if it breaks through, it'll be very bullish and we could see 166. If it fails there, then we're going to see these support down here. This is a very bullish setup here, so I think we could see some moves above this 154. Swissy franc, again very bullish, crazy one to trade. US dollar Swissy was beautifully smooth, but the Euro Swissy has been a nightmare. A lot of central bank intervention creating those very false charts. So a huge seller's bar, huge engulfing bullish bar, and now we're trying to break up here. Best monthly chart out there at the moment. This is my theme from now on for the short term. Hammer with low RSI. Excuse me. Looking for this to break up through 123 and retest this area up here. Just drop down to the dailies and look at the best dailies that I'm interested in. This is the euro. Let's look at the euro pairs. So we've got this break up here, this trendline resistance. I'm looking for a pullback to this 8-day moving average here at 122.90 tomorrow, if I can get it, assuming it closes up here today. Euro pound. I'm long from this hammer, still holding this one. My target is a retest of this trend line up here and the euro pound. Euro yen. Not touching it until we get push through the trendline resistance and a retest, and then I would look long to get back up here. US dollar CAD, with the potential drop off in the dollar and possible move up in the oil. If that pans out, I will look to see if we get a reversal bar up here and at least trade it back to the 200 EMA. Pound. There's the 150 I talked about, the monthly chart. It's already retested the 50 EMA. This is the trend line. It's retested. If it closes here, I'll buy a pullback tomorrow and try and trade up to 154. Euro CAD. This did a lovely retest the 50 EMA yesterday. Trigger bar above the 50 EMA. Pullback to the 50 EMA today, and it's moving up very nicely. I wish I got in that, but I was put off by the high value chart reading. That's all I've got for you at the moment. I hope that helps. Any questions, email me. Talk to you soon.